channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Jennifer Check from Jennifer's Body. I actually saw Jennifer's Body for the first time about a month ago, and once I saw the movie I knew I wanted to turn myself into her this Halloween, and there's so many variations of Jennifer that I want to turn myself into at some point, but I will spread them out and I kind of have some ideas for them in the future. But for this video I thought it'd be fun to turn myself into her cheerleader version. I also wanted to throw in a little bit of fake blood because she eats people, so it kind of makes sense. This is part of my Halloween series, so if you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, because every day for the month of October I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial. I'm also doing a huge Halloween giveaway to thank you guys for all of your support, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see how you can enter in that as well. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Jennifer from Jennifer's Body, then just keep watching. So for the wig, I'm just going to be taking this temporary black colored hairspray, and I'm just going to be going ahead and spraying this onto the wig. This is very simple. I absolutely loved this wig. However, the highlights were a little bit too bright for Jennifer in my opinion, so I decided to spray over it with this black because it does still allow for you to see the highlights underneath the color a little bit, but it definitely makes it look a little bit more natural and subtle. To start off, I'm just going to be going ahead and popping in my colored contact lenses, and I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face because I absolutely love how it moisturizes my skin and almost has a blurring effect as well, before following up with my 𝐵𝐸 Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying that all over my face as well. I'm then going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight and applying that under my eyes to help brighten them a little bit more, before going in with my Milani Supercharged Concealer in Peach and applying that under my eyes as well to help add a little bit more warmth back into that area. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones to help give a little bit of glow under my foundation. And for my foundation, I decided to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N, and I'm applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be taking my 𝐵𝐸 Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as cream highlight, so I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones, my temples, my forehead, and my jawline, and then I just want to go ahead and softly blend that out so that way we don't have any harsh lines. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I now want to highlight. So this is under my eyes, my forehead, and under my cheekbones and my chin as well. And then you just want to go ahead and blend that out. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder before we continue to move on with our contouring. So I'm going to be going into my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking this contour shade and I'm going to be applying it over the same areas that we applied our cream contour. Not only is this going to help add some more depth and dimension to our face, but this is also going to help set that cream contour from earlier a little bit more. I'm then going to be taking this banana shade from the palette, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and to my forehead and chin as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones to help bronze up my face a little bit more, before going into my ColourPop Disney Enchanted Rose Blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm then going to be taking my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones before we move on to eyebrows. I'm going to be taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black, and I'm just going to be lightly outlining and filling in my eyebrows, making sure to brush them out to keep them still looking rather natural, before going in to my 𝐵𝐸 Beauty Brow Wow Pomade, and I'm going to be using this to darken the tail of my brows, and I'm going to be setting my eyebrows with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Megan Fox has the most beautiful sculpted brows in this movie, so I'm definitely going to be taking my concealer again and then just going ahead and lightly shaping my eyebrows a little bit more with a small flat brush. I'm then going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer, and I'm going to be applying this to my eyelids before going into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, and I'm going to be taking Crystal Love, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid as a base. I'm then going to be going into my Vagabond eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corners of my eyes and then softly blending that into the crease, and you also want to apply this to your lower lash line as well. For my brow bone, I decided to go back into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying this there to help highlight the arch of my brow. And I'm going to be going back into my palette, taking No Bounds. I'm going to be softly applying this to the outer corner of my eye, and then also applying this to my lower lash line and making sure to blend this out. I'm going to be applying Sultan to the center of my eyelid, starting at the inner corner of my eye and then softly blending that out towards the outer corner. And then once again going back into No Bounds, and you want to go over this again as well. Just make sure that you are using a little bit of product because we still want this to look soft, and of course make sure to blend as you go. I'm then going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and I'm going to be going ahead and creating a wing on my eyelids. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just going ahead and sweeping this through my eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I decided to wear my Lily Lashes in Miami, so I'm just going to be applying that to my lash line. For my lips, I'm just going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Beeper, and I'm just going to be going ahead and outlining them. I'm definitely going to try to give myself a little bit more of a pout because Megan Fox does have fuller lips, and then I'm only going to be topping that with my ColourPop Disney Designer Boo Lip Gloss. Now you can of course just stop there if you would like and just keep the natural Jennifer makeup look. However, I'm also going to be showing you, if you'd like, how you can also make this a little spookier with some fake blood. To start off, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Disney Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be taking Quasimodo and New Dream together, and I'm going to be starting off by applying this under my lower lash line. This is going to help give a little bit more redness and irritation that Jennifer has whenever she does not feed. And we also want to create some soft bags under her eyes as well. You can create this effect by definitely having a little bit extra of the color in the inner corner of your eye and then softly blending that down. And then you also want to apply that around your nostrils as well. I'm then going to be going in with my Ben Nye Stage Blood, and I'm going to be applying this with a wedge sponge all around my lips. You can have as much or as little as you want, so I decided to go with a little bit of an in-between for this look. And those are my two makeup variations for Jennifer from Jennifer's Body. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup looks before anybody else. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you. So please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future, future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.